Luxembourg deal ze de batch. One of my most viral moments is definitely when I brought my son out and he said hello to the audience for the first time ever. And then I did like a little like a prank on the audience, and I was like, hold on y'all, I gotta go pee. I'm so sorry, but I gotta go pee real quick.
I'll just go use the bathroom real quick.
I'm so excited to be back in Luxembourg.
What a dream come true. Come somewhere that's so far away from home and still feel like I'm at home. So thank you.
Especially, I have this brand new song, Sexy For Me, that we performed tonight, and that's like my absolute favorite thing to perform right now. It might be because it's the new girl in town, so to speak. But I love doing the choreography to that, and the response to the song has been so incredible. So really excited to bring the tour to Luxembourg. Obviously, it's going to be a huge party tonight.